You're refusing to leave the property.
If I cannot go where I need to
leave the property?
If I cannot get to where I need to get to,
leave
bitch,
the property?
no, I'm not going to. Get off of me! Get off of me!
On March 10th, 2024, Orlando police responded to a trespass call at Orlando International Airport. A woman had remained in the terminal for days without traveling. Airport officials requested enforcement. She was previously warned to leave multiple times but refused to depart from the property. This incident presents critical questions about trespass, enforcement, and use of force escalation.
Trespasser.
So what's going on? What's happening?
Okay, so she's been here for a couple of days.
Okay.
We've been monitoring the situation with her, and there's a male as well.
This means you need to call them, let them know I'm in the beach room where you can pick me up.
Okay,
And they're gonna tell you between the 1 to 4 or whatever is the open space outside. Yeah, but you gotta call them.
We asked her what her business on property was. She goes, "I'm waiting for a friend." I said, "Where's your friend?" She goes, "I don't know."
Okay.
Just waiting for somebody to come and
That
pick
was
up.
just now?
Yeah.
Do you want to press charges, or?
Would you like to press charges if she refuses to leave?
Yes.
All right.
And she was asking, she says she's not going to
Hi there, ma'am. Were you asked to leave by those people?
All right.
Okay, well, they said that you were asked to leave, so at this point you gotta leave.
Let me ask you this. Do you have any business here?
I was waiting for someone to come back to get their stuff.
Are you flying out of here?
No.
Okay, so unfortunately, because you don't have any business here, you cannot stay here. So here's what's going to happen, because they did ask you to leave earlier and you refused to leave. So now they're letting us know that if you do not leave at this moment, you will be trespassed. And if you still refuse to leave, we will arrest you.
Okay, I don't have a way to leave you.
We will give you a bus pass. You can catch the bus and take it off the property.
I was for sure I thought we had to let their symbols.
I'm sorry?
Can you speak up, please?
No,
I think she's talking to somebody on the phone. Whoever it is. Do you guys have a bus pass by chance?
Yes, we just...
Thank you. Are you traveling with anyone else, or?
No.
The reason why I'm asking is because if they need a bus pass, we'll give it to them too.
I don't care about them if they didn't, whatever it was. I'm their mom.
You have ID on you?
I'm not giving it to you.
Okay. You gotta get up and leave then.
Okay.
Right
Like I just said, I cannot.
All right,
go
ma'am,
if I
we're going to stop the
You're either gonna
attitude.
get up-
I just need you to
Shut
grab
the
your stuff and go.
up.
Ma'am, I just need you to grab your stuff and go. You don't need to have all that attitude. It's not even necessary.
I'm not even talking to her. She keeps talking to me. I don't like
Okay.
it.
All right,
We're gonna give you
so
2
let's do
seconds,
this. Let's grab your
so-
stuff and let's go.
You can grab your stuff and you need to leave right now. If you don't, you go to jail.
This incident presents critical questions about trespass, enforcement, and use of force escalation. Under Florida Statute 810.09, trespass requires 2 elements: willful presence and warning to depart. Airport terminals are private property despite public access. Management can exclude individuals without business. The Fourth Amendment protects against unreasonable seizures, but lawful trespass arrests are constitutional. The officer provided clear warnings and consequences. This satisfies constitutional due process requirements. Offering a bus pass was critical. It negated any claim of inability to leave the property. Her refusal revealed the real issue: unwillingness to leave without reaching her desired destination. Graham v. Connor establishes force must be judged from the officer's perspective at that moment. The standard considers severity of crime, immediate threat posed, and whether subject is actively resisting. Active physical resistance justifies intermediate force under Florida use of force standards. The taser warning before deployment, though not required, demonstrates restraint and professionalism. Multiple officers using coordinated control actually reduces overall force and injury risk to all parties. This multi-officer approach is a tactical best practice for minimizing harm during resistance. Resisting arrest under Florida Statute 843.02 applies even without violence toward officers. Simply pulling away, tensing muscles, or refusing to comply with handcuffing constitutes resistance. Sustained physical resistance transforms a simple misdemeanor into multiple charges with guaranteed prosecution.
I'll give you about 30 seconds.
183, come. Are you nearby?
Like I just said, I cannot leave.
You're free to go.
I
All you
cannot
need to do
leave
is grab your
without
stuff.
going wherever I need to go. I cannot leave.
I'm gonna need a
just need to
cage
leave the
car. Can you come
premises.
over
No,
to
I can't
level
leave the
1?
premises, bitch.
Are you refusing to leave?
Are you
I'ma be
refusing
stuck
to
here.
leave?
Are you refusing to leave
I'm gonna
the
be
property?
stuck here.
Are you
bitch.
refusing
I'm going
to
be
leave?
stuck here. There's no way to get out of here.
Did we not just tell you we would give you a bus pass?
Where is it so I can go? The
Give it to me before I end up putting her in the car.
There you go.
Hold on, give me a second.
That's not gonna get me where I need to go. But
Yeah, but it'll get you off the property and keep you out of jail. That's what I'm trying to do.
well, I'm trying to go where I need to go and not get off the property. If I'm not going where I need to go, then I don't give a about.
So you're refusing
At
to leave the
all.
property. Is that what you're telling me? You're refusing to leave the
If
property.
I cannot go
Are
where
you
I need to
refusing
go,
to leave the property?
if I cannot get
Are
to
you
where I need to
refusing
get
to
to,
leave the
bitch,
property?
no, I'm not going to.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Get off of me.
Stop resisting.
Get off of me because I'm not going to jail. Get off of me. Get off.
Ma'am, stop resisting.
Get off of me.
Stop.
Get off of me.
Alright, calm down. Calm down.
Get off of me.
Put your hands on your back. Put your hands on your back.
Get off of me.
Put your hand behind your back.
Get off of me. Stop resisting now. Get off of me. I'm not going to jail.
Stop resisting now.
I'm not a stupid bitch.
You got it? Got it? Hold it down. Hold it down.
Stop resisting.
Get off of me. Give us your hand. Get off of me.
What's your hand?
Get off of me. I'm not going to jail.
Give us your hand.
Get
now.
off of
You're going
me.
to jail.
No, I'm not.
Switch with me. I got it. Switch with me. I got this. Go that side.
I can't go.
Oh, just stay there. Just stay there. Because I'm about to put our feet. I'm about to bring our feet to her ring.
Give us your hand. You do not need to make this as hard as this.
Yeah, take me. Take me. I'm gonna get you.
Stop resisting.
Get off of me.
Stop. Here. Got this one.
Get off of my back.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting. Go ahead.
Here. Grab it. Stop resisting. You're gonna get tased.
I'm not going.
You're gonna get tased.
I'm not going.
Watch your hand. Watch your hand. All right.
Get my shit. Get all of my shit. Get my stuff.
Relax.
I'm not going to jail because I did not do shit.
You are going to jail.
For no reason, I'm not going to jail.
Please comply or you will be.
I'm not going to jail.
Stop her.
Get my stuff.
Stop her.
Get my stuff.
Do that by the car so you can just get her going.
Get my stuff. Get my stuff. Get my stuff.
Stop.
1 second. Secure this cuff a little more. It's too loose.
Ow, get off of me.
Please comply. Stop.
Get off
Stop
of my
flexing.
back.
Stop flexing.
Stop.
Stop flexing.
Get
Thank you.
off of me.
Thank you. Please walk.
Get my stuff.
Please walk.
Get my stuff. Get my stuff.
Hey, I'm about to grab the legs. Oh, walk backwards. Walk backwards. There you go. Hold on 1 second. Through. Lean back through. Hand
Get
lock.
my stuff. I need my
There you
stuff.
go. Walk it backwards.
Get my stuff. Get my property. I need my stuff.
Keep on over. We got the rest.
Get my
Hold
stuff.
on, let me search you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Open up the door, create a pocket, and then we'll search it.
I don't even have nothing. That is my stuff. Go
Up
get
against
it.
there. You're going to be searched. Do you have anything on you that's contraband?
No, I need my stuff. Go get my stuff. Why haven't you got my stuff? I need my stuff.
Spread your feet, please. Stop resisting. Land up, please. Stop resisting.
Y'all arresting me for no reason. It doesn't even make any sense.
Ready. There you go.
I need my stuff.
Stop resisting. Please comply with
I'm
all
not even
orders.
resisting. I don't even know what you're talking about, but I need my stuff.
Sit all the way back and face to the left.
I need my stuff.
Face to the left.
Can you get my stuff?
Officers grade B, legally sound throughout, but missed de-escalation communication opportunities. Their procedural compliance was excellent. Force escalation followed proper continuum and legal standards. Subject grades F. Every decision escalated the situation and added criminal charges unnecessarily. From denial to profanity to physical resistance, each choice made her legal position worse. Key lesson: physical resistance never improves your legal position. It only guarantees worse outcomes. Understand property rights. Public access doesn't equal unlimited right to remain on private property. When given clear warnings, compliance now and legal challenge later is always the smarter choice. Deferred adjudication offers second chances for first-time offenders. Use these opportunities wisely. Court is where you fight arrests, not on the ground. Legal remedies exist for improper enforcement. The subject received deferred adjudication, appearing in court less than 24 hours after arrest. If she completes probation successfully, she may avoid a permanent criminal conviction on her record. Subscribe for more legal analysis. Comment with cases you'd like examined. Stay informed. Stay safe.